What to do with spent primers. Okay, so over time, you're just gonna get a crud ton of spent primers, and there's actually a couple things that you can do with them that are actually kind of useful. So the first one is if you're crazy and crap hits the fan, you can actually reload them. It's not worth the effort. The juice is not worth the squeeze unless it's the absolute apocalypse. I did a video on that here. You can check it out. But what I actually do with them most of the time, actually all the time, is I save them with just brass that's either gone bad, I crushed it, maybe a brass pipe part that I did some plumbing work on, a bunch of other spent primers. And what I actually do is I trade my father-in-law for them because he's interested in the brass because he has a forge, and he'll melt them down. And so I trade them for good brass casings for this. But unless you happen to have a father-in-law that'll do that for you, you can actually take these to a recycler because spent primers are made of brass, which is worth something. And if you're reloading a crap ton of rounds, I mean, this is a couple pounds here, and it's not much, but the recycler here locally on Earth Day will give you double the money. And I've gotten, it's like 10 or 15 bucks, honestly. If it's a far drive, it's not worth it for you, but you can save them up over the course of several years. You can go take them in, get 20, 30 bucks, along with maybe what other aluminum cans or other random crap you have lying around. So that's what I do. I just save them up till this thing gets full, trade them to my father-in-law, or take them to the recycler because they're actually good metal. Okay, so at the time of making this video, I just looked it up. Yellow brass is worth about $2.15 a pound, and this, this is probably a pound and some change, and this is, I don't know, 2 or 3 or 4 pounds. So I got like, let's say 5 pounds. If it was clean brass, then it'd be like worth 10 bucks. Usually they give you about half the price, depending on your recycler, half the price for dirty brass. This would only be worth 5 bucks, but then on Earth Day, they actually double you, so they give you the price of clean brass. So that's like $10 right there that I have right now. It'd be worth a little bit more, in a couple years when I get even more primers. So, it's worth something. I personally think it's better than throwing them away. Might as well get lunch out of it. Okay, if you don't think it's worth it and you just throw them away, it's America, you can do whatever you want. If you have any other thoughts on what to do with spent primers or any other comments or video ideas, put them in the comment section below. As always, guys, thank you for watching.